Woo. Okay. I just can't be great. So hey y'all, it's me Kelci. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my updated everyday makeup routine. So ever since we've been in quarantine and the virus has been out, we gotta wear masks. I haven't been wearing makeup like I usually do. Yeah, like I miss doing my makeup, so I just got bored and I want to do my makeup again. So yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell every time I upload a new video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on social medias. So yada yada yada. Y'all know what to do. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. So first thing I do when I do my makeup is I do my eyebrows, because eyebrows are like important. So this is the ColourPop brow this is the ColourPop Brow Boss eyebrow pencil, and I got this from Ulta. This is in the shade of soft black. Yeah, because it's like kind of like a dark brown but not black. I don't really like outline of my eyebrows or do anything. I kind of like just fill it in, give it like a little shape or whatever. Like I just fill in the empty spots, and then as I'm filling in, that's when I kind of like brush it out, give it like a little natural look. I really don't have to do too much to my eyebrows because I'm not that good with eyebrows, so that's why I like literally just fill them in and go about my day. But if you use a pencil, make sure you brush your brows out so like it'll look more natural. Okay, so and then I will outline my eyebrows with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe 30. And then I will take my Wet n Wild flatline brush. I actually got this from Dollar Tree for $1, and this is what I use to outline my brows. So like I kind of use like a lighter shade, so I'm just taking it and I'm outlining. So like, as you can see, I start thin towards the beginning of my brow, and then I get like thicker towards the end, the tail of my brow. So that is how I do it. To be honest, I really be winging it when I do my brows. And then I'll put some in the middle. It's kind of a little bit too much, but yeah. Okay, don't judge my beauty blender. I need to get another one. So, and then I'll take my beauty blender and my water bottle and I'll spray it, because please do not use a dry beauty blender. Your makeup will not blend. I'll take it and just blend in my concealer. I kind of go over my eyes too with it. Okay, so now that my brows are done, I will go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer, and this is the matte. I might switch it because my face used to be oily, but it's not really oily anymore. Woo. Okay. You know what? I just can't be great. What the heck? That was a bunch. Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna take my primer and I'm just gonna put it on my face. But make sure you always put primer, because if you don't have primer, your makeup will slide, and you don't want your makeup to slide, and you don't want to be out here embarrassing yourself. We're gonna rub this in. So yeah, y'all probably don't know why I do this, but I do my eyebrows first before I put on my primer, because when I used to do my primer, before I did my eyebrows, my product really wouldn't go on well. Like, it would be just sliding and stuff. So that's why I put on my primer after I do my eyebrows. I don't do this all the time, but since I do have a few dark marks, I will go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the orange corrector, and I will go over my dark marks to cover these up. All that freaking gel for my hair. And I'm gonna wet my beauty blender again. Now we're gonna go in and blend that all in. So after I put in my orange corrector, that's when I go in with my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Abidjan. Hopefully I said that right. But this is a foundation stick. I don't really do like liquid foundation. As of right now, I don't. So this is just a stick. And I'm gonna put this all over my face. It's like kind of like almost exactly my shade. So like it kind of matches my face in some parts, but then because like my face is not like all the same color, which is kind of weird. So then I'll take my beauty blender, wet it again a little bit more so it will blend in well. And I'm gonna take that beauty blender, blend it all in all over my face. And the good thing is about this foundation is that it's not heavy. That's why I like this foundation. See that foundation, it look good. I like it, I like it. I love it. So then I will go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Usually you're supposed to use one kind of like a little lighter than your skin tone, but this one kind of similar, like matches mine a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with a little triangle shape and put this under my eyes. Then I put a little bit on my chin and my forehead. And I will go in and blend all this in again. So like it kind of got rid of my dark under eye circles, because I have dark under eye circles. After that, don't judge my setting powder. It's been in here since move-in and I never took it out. This is the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep setting powder. And then I'm gonna take my little sponge I got from Shop Miss A, and then I dip it in the top, and then I will put some on my face. I try not to put too much because either it's me or this is not a good setting powder, because I get flashbacks sometimes. Okay, usually while my setting powder is setting, I will put on my eyelashes. Sometimes I curl my lashes, sometimes I don't. You know what, y'all? I'm supposed to do my eyeshadow. I ain't gonna do it because I don't do it all the time. I don't do eyeshadow every day. I really don't. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my lash glue. I used to put it on directly on the lashes, but I don't do that anymore because I saw this on TikTok. TikTok teaches me a lot of things. So I'm gonna put it directly on my lash line. Woo! Don't worry about if a little gets on your real lashes. Just wipe it off. Anywho, okay. It doesn't take that long to dry while it's on your lash line instead of your lashes. So while that is drying, I'm gonna take this is actually a highlighter brush, but I use it to blend in my setting powder. This is a highlighter brush from Shop Miss A, and then I'm gonna take that and blend my setting powder in. Turn this off. Okay, so since my lash glue is done drying, I will now put on my lashes. These are some mink winks. A girl I went to school with is actually selling lashes. I'll link her website down below if y'all want to check out her website. But these are some 3D mink lashes. So period. Depending on how I'm feeling, I will use my lash applicator and I will put on my lashes. And that's on wet, period. Okay. Girl, I look like a whole nother different person. Last step I do is I go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go setting powder, and I will spray this all over. I look like a whole new, brand new, different person. Like, I look. And I will go in with my favorite lip pencil of all time. This is a C'est La Vie pencil lip liner. I got this from Shop Miss A. And this is in the shade Butterscotch. And then I will line my lips. And then I will take a little bit of my NYX Butter Gloss. Ooh. And I'll put a little in the middle. And then I will take my Bath and Body Works lip gloss. You can take any clear lip gloss. And then I just put this on top. Some wet, period. Okay, y'all, so that is my completed and final makeup look. Yeah, I look good, period. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about the products or anything, let me know. And the products will be listed down in the description box. I'll make sure I don't forget that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I ain't your man, that's true enough. I feel that void